I'm Charles Stew. I'm 29 years old. I handle a lot of daily responsibilities. I coach basketball, I anchor a sports show, I work for my family business, and I also run a few businesses on my own. So every day I wake up at 5:30 in the morning. I go straight to practice. We start practice by 6 a.m. It ends at 9 a.m. We still spend time teaching our kids, our players. We coach, we mentor them. Aside from basketball, we teach them about life, give them guidance. So the first thing I do after practice, which is in San Juan, is basically I check my phone, look for the best way to get to my office, because once practice ends, it's already work mode for me. Even on the way to the office, I'm already thinking about work. So basically, my day is already planned out. Every hour, every detail, I prepare beforehand, even the day before, just to know exactly what I have to do, what tasks I have to accomplish, just to make sure that my time will be managed very well. So every day after work, I try to find time to sneak in a workout or a jog. Actually, even sometimes, if I have time before I head to the office, I'll even run at lunchtime, at lunch break, or I head to the gym, or if I can sneak in a game of basketball. It just helps me because I really need my daily exercise. So after my workout, I normally just head home, eat a quick dinner before I head to my sports show to prepare for my work, because I'm there actually by 8:30, 9 p.m. every night. I have to navigate through traffic again, prepare questions, because I interview a lot of guests, some of which are just so memorable, people that I get to know. And after every interview, I actually take photos with some of my guests just for my remembrance, because these are things that I really cherish, and moments to remember for me. Try to find just little moments in the day where I can unwind. I try to see friends, my neighbors. If I can get a chance to have a glass of wine or two, I take advantage of that because I really enjoy drinking wine. Or I use social media to just look at photos through Instagram. So whenever I eat, I actually take photos of my food a lot, because it's just I like to remember what I eat, especially if it's very creative, and I like sharing them to people who I feel share the same passion with me about food. Actually, I'm just on my phone basically the whole day. My phone is like my best friend. Because of my super busy schedule, it's the best way to stay connected to people, so I know what my friends are doing. And I just haven't been disconnected with my phone in a long time, even if I'm traveling anywhere out of town. Since I'm always on the go, it's very important that my phone charges very fast, because sometimes all I have is a short 20-minute, 30-minute gap. It's so important for me that I have a reliable phone like my Huawei Mate 20 Pro. That just makes life so much easier, because communication is so important, and nowadays our cell phones can just help make life faster and easier for us.